Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll tap into our inhalations, using them to inspire the dreams and visions we hold for ourselves. Start by finding a comfortable seat. As you settle in, allow your spine to straighten without hardening your back. Relax your shoulders and let your arms and hands rest in your lap. And if you haven't yet, gently close your eyes. Now, notice your breath. Over the next few rounds, let your breathing gradually lengthen and deepen. Feel your ribs and lungs expanding on your inhales. Notice your ribs and lungs releasing slowly on your exhales. Now, release any effort around your breath and let it shape itself. Notice your natural inhalations and exhalations. Our breath can both energize and calm us. And when we focus on our inhalations, we feel invigorated and alive. So let's spend a few moments lengthening our inhales. We'll pace our breath together, using a count of 6 as we breathe in, then hold the inhalation for a count of 2, and we'll exhale for a count of 4. Begin by exhaling whatever breath is left in your body now. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 1, 2. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 1, 2. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 1, 2. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 1, 2. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 1, 2. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, gently dismiss the count and return to your natural easy breath. And let's try it again, slowing down the inhale even more. This time, we'll try for a count of 8 on the inhale, holding again for 2 counts, and exhaling for 4. If you feel like your breath is straining or you are creating any tension at all, relax back to your natural breath whenever you need to. Again, exhale whatever breath is left in your body. And inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold for 1, 2. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold for 1, 2. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold for 1, 2. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold for 1, 2. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold for 1, 2. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, let your breath soften back to its effortless rhythm, taking a moment to notice how you feel. Mindfulness teaches us to stay grounded and present in the here and now. This is fundamental to moving through our to-do lists and daily routines with focus and awareness. But our practice also shows us that the quality of our thoughts and actions plays a significant role in how we feel as we move through our days. What and how we think shapes our perceptions and our reality. So from time to time, it's essential to reconnect with our deepest values and dream into what inspires and drives us forward. When we allow ourselves to think big and create the most magnificent vision of our lives, we are planting seeds. It is by dreaming into the best version of ourselves that we can nurture those seeds and encourage them to blossom. So take some time to reflect on what you want out of life. For just a few moments, let go of negativity and let yourself dream into the future without limits. What does your vision look like? What are your biggest hopes and aspirations? What kind of life do you want to create for yourself? In the words of Oprah Winfrey, create the highest, grandest vision possible for your life, because you become what you believe. Now take a generous inhale. Slow and steady exhale. And when you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Enjoy the rest of your day, and let's meet back here tomorrow.